Dr. B, for this assignment, I am showing you my Christmas list. So it's on Amazon. I have other things I want to get, like I want like other shoes and stuff like that, and like other clothes, but like this is pretty much all of it. Some cowboy boots, some tank tops. These pants are really cool, I think. Like they're oversized and have pockets, and like these jeans are really cute. I like they only have two like rips. And then some sweatpants, and then I have some sweatshirts, this like workout set, this like just comfy set, these pants like for going out, or like these for game day, really cool. I want like another puffer. I lost mine last year, it was really sad. And I want a buffer like vest too, which is really in right now. And then I want some shoes. I really like these heels. I have like a lot of dances coming up. Like I need to wear them too. These lovers are really cool. I want some black. These are really cool, really like platform. And some artwork for my house I'm renting next year, or some disco ball stuff like cherries and mushrooms, and then just disco ball with different size, so I can like put them like at different levels. This mirror is really cute. A cover for my futon that I already have, a record player stand. I already have one, but I wanted the one. Some dresses that I might wear to a dance. Heels again. Got IV because gotta have that stuff. Some more artwork, a bag, this comfy set, the shirt, all these shirts. I already have that, so I don't need that anymore. These pants. I travel a lot, so I want to get like some travel bags to put like my cosmetic stuff in, like my makeup and like my shower stuff. And I like these pants, they're really fun. I live in sweatshirts all the time, so I want more sweatshirts. This cute little set. Some coffee table books, a bag, some candles, a cup that I put like my iced coffee in the morning, some shorts. This is really good spray perfume. It smells really good. This set, some more hoodies because I love hoodies. Like they're my favorite thing ever. I already have those. Some more purses. I don't need anymore, but like I like them a lot. This is the same thing that I had earlier, but that one was black, and this one is like a tan. Another sweatshirt because I love sweatshirts. Workout set, more shoes because I love shoes. My favorite thing to get is shoes. This ring's really cute, I think, and this like jewelry box to put all my jewelry box in. And then I really like this top to wear out. And then I didn't mean to move the screen. And then like this top is really cute. These just like wear it up to dinner with my friends. These sunglasses are really cool. Like I'm like different. Like wear them out. Some shorts, more pants. Excuse me. Did not mean to put that on there, so sorry. Some sweaters and sweatshirts. I live in sweatshirts. It's my favorite thing I'm living right now. Some more shorts, some more pants, some more sweaters, some more sweaters and sweatshirts. And yeah, that's really it. So that is my Christmas list for this Christmas.